Me say the one here for grandpa and me grandmother. Me say she and me.
Yeah, let's do this. J Mullings from Written Mirror here, aka Wicked Penman. You already know what it is. It's just gonna be loud. So sorry. Today's topic is. Oh, this is beautiful. Hold on. We need to get this. Whoa, where are you going? Come back down here. Yeah, we need to get this a bit higher. So yeah, today's topic is, well, obviously music. But some of the, I guess some of the other music I've been listening to lately. And, you know, I'm going to change this thing and fly out. You've seen what I'm doing anyway, so. Good. Let's put this bird in the sky. So, also I'll show you the trains and stuff. It's a lovely day at the moment. Although the reason I'm wearing like a full tracksuit is because London is doing its thing. You know that thing London does. 1 minute rain, 1 minute sunshine, 1 minute it's windy, next minute it's blazing hot. Normally I don't panic, but today I just had no clue what to wear. So I thought, you know, play it safe and go with the tracksuit, honestly. Obviously, in anticipation of my EP coming out, I'm going to try and keep this brief, maybe around 10 minutes. I want to do a couple of videos today. It's I wouldn't even say it's strange, but there seems to be this pervading myth that artists should never speak about other people's music and stuff, or like nothing inspires them, or they don't listen to other people's music. And then I guess the other part of it is like, you know, like rival artists, as if they don't know what each one is up to and so on and so forth, which is also not true, by the way. Which I think was kind of funny when Jada Kingdom announced her and Shensia's beef are over now. So, you know, she's like, now, the way she announced it was quite funny, which is, now I don't have to pretend that I don't listen to Shensia's music, which I thought was hilarious. I wanted to talk about, like I said, so obviously my EP is coming up. Again, this is quite loud. Let me stick this in the sky a bit more. Yeah, it seems like it's windy today, so I'm not gonna send it too far. But yeah, so my EP, 1WPM, comes out September 4th. And as much as I want everyone to listen to it, I want everyone to vibe to it, I want everyone to have fun with it, I've been listening to music all throughout lockdown. Like, it's not like I shut myself off from the world to create this EP. That's not what happened. You know, I was watching shows, programs, films, listening to music. I was doing all of that. So yeah, I just wanted to not even really shout out anyone in particular or anything like that, but I just wanted to, you know, I'm not going to fly too close to the sun because this is what will end up happening. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this right now. You can see how much space I have to myself. It's not often I get that, and that's because the weather has been unpredictable, so it doesn't draw the big crowd it would normally draw in the park. Let's go towards Morden real quick. You hear Babylon? Or is that ambulance? I can't be sure. Oh, this looks all right. Yeah, free. So, okay. I'm going to mention a couple of EPs I've been listening to, and then obviously a few artists of music I've heard during this time. And, you know, it's up to you whether you want to go and sample some of what they've been up to or not. Like, but, you know, I'm not keeping it to myself. And number one on that list is I joke around all the time whenever I tweet or anything. I say, oh, my artist, Lila Ike, however you want to say it. Lilaike, Lila Ike, Lila Ike. Nice EP. I really enjoyed the music that she that she put together on that one with, and she's a part of Protege's Indignation. He's got an artist. Well, he's got a label deal, label an artist development deal with I believe it's Is it Colombia? I wanna make sure. I think it's Colombia. Not 1,000% sure. I'll pull up something if what I'm saying is wrong. Her EP came out in, I want to say it came out in June, and then Protege's second artist, Savannah's album came out in July, or was Lila July and Savannah August? No, I don't know. I feel like they came out in June and July. No, I think it was June and July because Protege's next album is coming out in September. No, it's coming out this month. So yeah, it would be in June, July, August. They've been on a roll. They've been putting in work, you know. Savannah's album is more, and then you gotta be careful when you use words like this, right? Because when I say artistic, people will be like, "What you trying to say, lad?" Nope, not saying that. I'm just saying it was more of a conceptual project, right? So she's got everything to go with it. Yeah, that's loud. But the visual. Oh wow, am I gonna run into this crane? Might have to go a bit higher, you know. Yeah. So, all right. Let's not tempt fate. Let's not go too much further. Yeah. So yeah, you got Lila EK's album or EP. You got Savannah's EP, and then you'll have Protege's, which will be on the way soon. And yeah, like those two EPs definitely, you know, felt like good food to me. I've been listening to them a lot. You know, my favorite song on, well, again, shouldn't use words like favorite, right? But the song I really, really kind of enjoyed and vibed with on Lila EK's EP was Thy Will. I think it's because I recognize the beat, or as in the beat it derives from. I know that one from Young, but yeah, just the way she flowed on it, everything. I thought that was really dope. I really thought that was a special track. The whole EP is nice, but Thy Will, like I said, was the one I kind of gravitated towards the most. Savannah's EP, like I said, very, very, very conceptual, very, very interesting. But I like the song, well, a couple of songs. Obviously, Mango is the one that's been promoted, and everyone will, if you follow reggae and dancehall or the music out of the Caribbean, you'll probably get quite familiar with that song. Mango is a really, really nice track. See what I got on there. So, oh, still in the car park. No thanks. Yeah. So. But she has the last song on the EP is the one I like the most. I can't tell you the title. I can't remember the title of the song. But yeah, it's really, I said to her that I think it kind of reminds me of like a James Bond soundtrack. Like the production is really, you know, really good. Really enjoy that. You really enjoy that track. And I guess I got to make it free, right? You can't just have 2 EPs. You need another one. So the third one, I'll say the third one is my own, but I'd be cheating. Who else? Well, okay, of course. Go back to the foundation. The Grammy kid herself, Coffee. I have been listening to Coffee's EP as well. Because even that, it was just kind of a reminder of how far you can come in a short space of time with music. You know, if you dedicate yourself to it, and you can hear the drone again because it's right above me. If you dedicate yourself to music, you have the right team behind you, and just, you know, people gravitate to the message of what you're doing. So yeah, her EP was called Rapture. I believe it had 4, maybe 5 songs, but you know, it was enough to win her a Grammy. So you know, I know. People used to kind of, you know, roll their eyes at EPs and like, oh, you're making an EP. Like, yeah, it's not an album, of course, but at the same time, it's a body of work. And that body, there is no telling where that body of work can take you, honestly. So, yeah, those would be the three EPs that, like I said, have kept me. I've listened to a lot of music. Like I said, at the time of recording this, I've been listening to Burna Boy's new album a lot as well. Twice as Tall, and I know a lot has been made of the fact that P Diddy executive produced this piece of work, and but at the same time, a lot he even admits himself the work was like 80% done before he came on board. He's getting a lot of credit for it, which again, you can't really ball at that because he's P Diddy and he probably did put in some musical touches and probably did call in some favors where you're like, okay, I can see where he's earned his stripes in this, but don't sleep on the talent of Burna Boy. Burna Boy is not a scrub musically. I've enjoyed kind of if you want to think of the album as in having two halves, I think it has something like maybe 12 tracks or something, I can't remember. But I kind of preferred the second half of the album. It resonated more with me. You know, I was playing, I think that my favorite, see, I can remember the name of the tracks of these because I've been playing them so much. I like 23, Comma. What's one of them called? Anika or Baby. I think that one is called that. There's one called Wetting This Up, which basically means what's up. That one, I really like that track. I like the production, everything. That one is the one for me. And yeah. Is there one called Money in the Bank? Or Money, Banks of Money? Something like this. The last track I like a lot as well. Monsters You Create, or whatever, the one with I like that one is okay. The track with Storms is okay, but yeah, the tracks I've mentioned, there's like a good, like there's the second half of the second half of the album I think is the strongest, and that's really the kind of music I've been, vibing to. Yep, let's get this thing home. I'm gonna wrap this up. J Mullings from Written Mirror, aka Wicked Pen Man, and yeah, I'm gonna fly home now. Later.